Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, and in today's video I will be doing a clean and cook with me. I have a few things I need to get done around the house, as well as cook a spatchcock chicken. If you have not tried it, it is delicious, and I'll be sharing the recipe with you later on in this video. So let's go ahead and get started, and if you have a few things to tackle around your house, let's clean together.
I can tell you don't care.
Alright, I'm starting with clearing everything off the table, that way it's nice and clean and clear. Once the food is ready, we can go ahead and eat at the table. If you have been here for a while, you know that the table has been my catch-all. I've been working on it, and again, if you've been here for a while, you know that this table looks a lot better than what you typically used to see it. I used to have stuff piled all on top of the table, and I've gotten a lot better at it. I'm wiping the table down with the Method grapefruit scent. I'm about halfway done with it, and I did purchase the Love Meg multi-surface cleaner that just came out, and I'm so excited to try it. She said it's the cucumber melon scent, and that is actually one of my favorite scents. It reminds me of middle school when we used to buy the cucumber melon from Bath & Body Works. So tell me in the comments, let me know if you are also excited or if you did purchase it, if you're looking forward to trying it out.
Say the right things, like you're pushing me away, then you pull me back in, like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying. You push away, then when I go all in, like you afraid of what might happen if you're trying.
If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Again, my name is Ashley, and I'm a mom to 5 girls. I really enjoy doing a lot of cleaning, organizing, and decluttering videos. So if this is your type of thing, I'd love to have you join my YouTube family. So before you finish watching this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment letting me know a little bit about you.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh.
Spatchcock, what we're going to be adding is potatoes, carrots, and sausage. You can pretty much add any vegetable that you like. You can even add like zucchini or squash or Brussels sprouts, anything, any type of vegetable that you like. So for this one, we're adding this. So let's go ahead and start chopping up so we can add with the chicken.
So you are like me, you wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch. Baby, I so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, I'm so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down, slow Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift from me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how. You can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my
What?
Cool.
I'm recording, but you're not letting me. Okay, I realize that some people have a certain spot to put all of their pans and stuff, but we don't. So we need to take them out of the oven before we can preheat.
love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for
My husband's gonna help me.
It's this foil.
Wait, he's gonna help me cover up the sheet pan because it's much easier to just rip the piece of foil off than having to wash the bottom of the pan. So if you don't feel like washing it either, put some foil before putting the chicken in there. And he's also gonna help me cut up the chicken because he's much better at doing that. You'll see why in a minute. If you haven't done spatchcock chicken, then you'll know why. There's a certain way you have to cut it up. Okay, so things you'll need for the spatchcock chicken is a chicken, a pair of scissors. So what are we using? Some chicken rub and a handsome husband, but you can't have mine, so you can use yours. But okay, so what are we doing? Tell us what we're doing, sweetie.
We are gonna go ahead and spatchcock or butterfly the chicken. So take it, put it on the breast side down. We have the backbone here. You can do this with a knife or shears. Shears are a lot easier. You need to have a really sharp knife. Makes it easier. Take what used to be the tail and go along the side of the backbone, cutting the bones like so. We'll go all the way to the top, up here, and then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Go ahead and, it's really up to you if you want to remove the backbone or not. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. This time I'll go ahead and remove it.
It seems like you know what you're doing.
I think the professional, or the normal way for spatchcocking is to go ahead and completely remove the backbone.
And for those of you that don't know, he actually has his own YouTube channel. I'll make sure to link it down below if you're interested, like in barbecue and all that. That's what he does on his channel.
And right here between the breasts, take your scissors, make just a little clip like that. This one is still a little frozen. It doesn't want to. Usually it'll pop. But this is still a little frozen, so it's not popping.
I kind of forgot to take it out of the fridge yesterday.
But the main goal for that is you want it to lay flat, especially for grilling. Now, I usually start bone side up when I'm seasoning, and just liberally spread your favorite seasoning on here. You can put a little oil on the opposite side if you want, help crisp the skin up. I usually don't, because when it's in the oven, it usually does a pretty good job on its own. Now we'll flip it over, lay it flat. Do the same thing, making sure you move the wing open, get underneath there, grab the leg, do the same thing there.
Daddy's making chicken. Daddy's making chicken. Yeah, he's gonna do chicken. Oh my goodness. Go talk to sister, sweetie. Go talk to sister. Go play with sister. Take Woody, okay?
And that's it.
Okay.
Grab the pan. Transfer it to the pan. Bone side down.
Bone side down.
Like so. Lay it flat. And you might just, as you're moving, sometimes the stuff, seasoning will come off if you want to touch up some of those spots where the seasoning came off.
Oh, oven's preheated.
And you're good to go.
Okay, so apparently I forgot to get chicken broth. We need to put some at the bottom so that the vegetables don't stick. So I'm just gonna get some hot water, and I'm gonna add in. I have a cup of water, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of this chicken one. I'm just gonna add a tablespoon of that to give it some flavor. Just a tablespoon. Okay, that's good. And I'm just gonna add it to the side of the pan where I'm gonna be adding the veggies. Like that. Okay, that should be good. All right, and now I'm gonna add all of the vegetables. Probably should get a spoon. Hold on. So I will probably make a mess if I don't. That. Okay, now we're just gonna add it to the oven. We have it preheated already to 350, and we're gonna leave it for probably. No, we don't cover it. Okay, and then we're gonna add it in there for, what did we say, about an hour and a half?
Yeah, let's
We're gonna do an hour for now, I guess, and just see. It's already on preheated. And then we'll leave it for about an hour and then check it at that point and see how it looks. Alright, and while that is cooking in the oven, I'm going to work on cleaning the kitchen and also clearing the counters. I'd like to wash these dishes and then put them away so that I can put the drying rack away. In my recent video, I mentioned how I'm really enjoying the clear counters. I'm trying my best to keep them clutter-free, so when I'm done washing dishes, I will put them away and then I'll move on to wiping down the counters.
Get on my list. so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, trip, trip. Now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves.
I'm gonna put that in the video.
What, are you recording?
Yes. All right, we've got 28 minutes left, and the kitchen is nice and clean. I just need to sweep, but I'll do that later, and I'll mop later. Yeah, I'll do a sneak peek here in a minute, but I just wanted to show the clean counters. Of course, I've got the pans over here, and oh man, dang it, I forgot to wash the pot.
Oh.
I'll have to do that later. Yeah, let me just give you all a sneak peek of what it looks like. Holy moly, that looks good. Oh, if you all could smell this, it smells so good. Okay, we'll check it here in 27 minutes. All right, let's go ahead and check to see how it looks. Scoot back, sweetie. Scoot back, because it's hot. Let's see if I can get this to focus, because it's so hot. Ooh, that looks really, really good. Okay, I'm gonna have my husband help me to get it out so we can check to see if the chicken is done.
You ready?
Uh-huh. You got, I can't see you. You got your fancy mitts, huh? Ooh, that looks good. We got some crispy sausage too.
Yeah, the chicken's done yet.
It's not done. We'll wait a little bit, maybe another half hour, right?
Probably. Let's do this.
You got your fancy thermometer there.
It's supposed to be 165 and it's at 115.
Holy cow.
So it's a ways off.
So we got some cooking still. Yes, baby.
Thigh's done.
The thigh's done. Oh, we'll just cover it then and see what it does.
I just don't want to overcook the rest of it.
The potatoes are good though? Alright, we'll figure it out sometime.
If it's real, 'cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young.
Alright, we're gonna check to see.
Let's do this.
Let's do this. Check to see if it's done.
It's a statement.
Well, that smells fantastic.
So say they put an eater on that's, maybe 10% or 20% bigger than they would have if that other plant hadn't been still there. So you got 2 years.
It's done.
It's done. Yay. All right.
Let's uncover this golden beauty.
Dang, you even busted out your fancy mesquite cutting board.
Mm-hmm.
That looks good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead.
Come here, come see Daddy's chicken. Come see the chicken Daddy made. Oh, we need to give him a close-up of that here in a minute. Huh? Bubbles. Yeah, we'll play with bubbles in a minute because it's raining outside. You can't right now. It's raining. Yeah, it's raining.
That bone. Now we're looking at.
Ooh, that looks good. Here, let's give him a close-up of that. Ooh, wow. Yep. So let's go ahead and plate it because I am starving. All right, one more close-up so I can tempt you all to make this. It smells so good, doesn't it?
It's very good.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so for a meal like this, you want to make sure you take out your fancy china so we can plate. Is that good or you want a little more?
That's good.
Okay. And this one.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it. It's done.
I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish. Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around someone? 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like it burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be.
That is going to do it for today's video. I'm just going to finish mopping, and that is all the cleaning that I'm doing for today. Thank you all again so much for stopping by. I hope that this video gave you some cleaning motivation as well as some cooking motivation, and that you will give that recipe for the spatchcock chicken a try. It was delicious. Let me know down in the comments if you do give it a try. And again, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you join my YouTube family. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.